What's up, guys? My name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new around here, hi, my name's Olivia, and I'm currently converting this 2003 Ford E-150 with my boyfriend to make a tiny home on wheels. And in doing so, we've spent a lot of money. No, but we've made some upgrades, actually some necessary purchases, like a bed, and we are gonna do an unboxing and install and dry fit and play around with them. All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm most excited to do the bed.
Yeah.
So let's pop it open. We ordered it from Amazon. It should fit right. It's a tri-fold mattress. Let's open them up. Let's see. Alrighty, Seth's gonna get it set up so we can open it right on the bed. But we went with the Milliard. You can see it right there. Milliard bedding. And we got a tri-fold mattress. I'm really eager to see how it fits. I'll pull it. Woo! Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna really explode when we cut it open, so. Alright, knife. What if I just cut it off?
Please don't cut the mattress.
I'm gonna cut off. I don't know. But there's 2 layers.
Alright.
Is it opening?
Yep.
Whoa! Alright. Let's see.
Should we pull the bed out?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and open it.
Cool.
Could you bring the camera a little closer?
Yeah. Alright, go for it.
Exciting! Okay. I think it goes this way. And so once we, oh my gosh, look at that! It's gonna fit great!
So you wanna,
I mean, I have a little extra room, so
cut it open?
hold on a sec. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Even this is comfy. Well, anything's more comfortable than wood slats. All right, so for this one, before we cut it open, I want to let you guys know it's not going to be the perfect fit. I think I had to size down a little bit to a full because the queen would be too big, and we have storage here and a beautifully installed beadboard wall.
Who did that?
I don't know, but it's pretty cute. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty comfortable. But I gotta get off. Let's cut it open. Let's do. You wanna start cutting? First. Come on. Quick, 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 quick. Wait, quick, open it. Cut it, cut it. Ah! It's exploding. Oh, wow! It really blew up a lot. Knife. I don't know what I thought was gonna happen. Whoa, that was satisfying. Wow! Look at that! Oh, it stinks. Wait. I think it goes... Okay, stop.
The other way.
We're gonna zip these up. And then we're gonna flip it.
So,
Wow! Alright. Need help? Yep. Okay. Coming in. Wow! You want to pick it up and then... Oh my gosh! Wait, hold on. Alright, test it out! Is it awesome?
Oh, this is so comfortable.
Oh my gosh, I want to try.
Feels big because the van is small.
Whoa! It's awesome! Oh! Wait, I'm like, this is too comfortable. This has no business being this comfortable for a freaking van. Oh!
I don't know, this is perfect though.
Alright, want to try set it up as the couch.
Yeah.
Since we got the trifold, it should be... Although I am a little nervous it might be too tall, you might hit your head.
I will definitely hit my head. We're gonna take the bed down. Cut the bed down a little bit.
You're gonna have to shrink. That sounds easier. So we can fold it first, and then we'll place it. That side can go down.
Okay, so let's flip it
Like this. Nice.
Oh, here, let's put it in the middle.
I would lean it towards this. Okay. I'm good. You good? I'm flush. Are you flush?
I don't know how this was supposed to work.
I think I accounted for something. Which way does it open? Spin it this way. What happened?
I mean, it's a...
What do we do? Huh. Okay. I seem to have made a mistake. When it's folded up, it is nowhere near the size it needs to be. All right. Yeah. God. All right. Well, that's our first unboxing. We'll come to some sort of solution. Also, to help us, comment down below if you know a way that this could help us. But let's show them some other things. Yeah. Yay! We felt that it was necessary, but I reached out to Penny Board, and they're partnering with me this summer. If you don't follow me on IG, go check that out. It's at JetLagLive.
And they some pretty cool colors too.
Yeah, look, it's perfect for summer. And this is the Florida Beach Mobile people. So, want to show them a trick?
I can't do it.
Okay.
Especially on a penny board.
2 more things to do unboxing wise. You guys, this is our shower solution. Yay!
Tiny shower.
quick shower. So what we got here is what's called a solar shower. So what you do is you'll fill it up with fresh water, which we have a 5-gallon jug. This is a 5-gallon bag.
I say we fill it up before we even leave.
That's a good idea. Yeah. So it comes in this. Got it in green. I like it.
I like it too.
It's cool. Oh my gosh, cool. So basically it's like a bag that you'd fill up with water, and the way that it's built, it really heats up the water quickly. It's giving me pool float vibes.
I'm already sweating. I think I need to use it. Smells like a pool float.
Yeah, it's exact pool float vibes. So you hook this up. But anyway, like I was saying, the material this is made out of really traps in heat. So you fill this up with water, and then we're gonna put it on the roof to heat it up. Maybe along with our solar panels too.
It's gravity fed?
And then you open it up, we'll hang it up, and then shower.
Okay.
Cool, huh?
I was curious how this was gonna work.
So I guess this gets up to like, I only got it in Celsius, but 40 degrees. We're literally the only people that use like Fahrenheit. 40, that's like 90 degrees.
That's
like 90 degrees.
Plus 20.
What?
You always added like
40 degrees Celsius is like 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
I think. This shit gets hot. Yeah, no, it gets really hot, and then go to shower. Cool. All right, that was mine. What's yours?
So does that mean that like somebody's gonna have to be on top of the van?
I think we could rig it up to hang. Maybe take a carabiner. Look at this. Clip it here.
But then
I'm sure like this, it would work because the pressure of the water.
We could get one that's like
the pressure of the water would be pushing down. That's all the weight of that water pushing it out. I mean, it'd be different if it was like right here.
I can't wait to watch you wash your hair with that little thing.
I'm not gonna wash my hair.
You're disgusting.
Just kidding. It looks like an Apple product. That.
It's the new faucet.
Faucet, courtesy of Apple. So this is the faucet that I ordered that is supposed to last like 3 months, something crazy on a charge. So check this out.
Whoa.
This is our
That's
faucet.
fancy.
I know, and you touch it and it comes out. And that's when you put in, right here you'll put in a BPA-free food-grade silicone tubing, which it comes with, but I heard theirs is like kind of crappy, so we're gonna order a new one. And that feeds into our freshwater tank, and then this will be mounted at our sink.
How do you charge it? How's it powered?
USB.
Oh, perfect.
Isn't that cool? And that could be charged on our Jackery. I haven't heard, oh my God.
Good. You turn it on.
I was just like, scary. Okay, well, that's what, there you go. It's, oh my God, that scared me. Hold on, let me get myself together. I heard that we do need to be careful with this because it can break easily, so. But I will link the stuff down below. That's pretty much all we wanted to show you guys. Anything else you can think of that we've added that we want to catch them up with upgrade-wise? Besides stay away spiders?
Stay away spiders. Ugh, that spider was huge.
So I'm driving home one night. It's so dark and the big spider crawls across my windshield. It takes me a minute to focus and see, holy that is on the inside of the windshield. Almost crashed the van. And he saw the same thing.
And then the next day, I'm opening the fan, and you have to twist the thing to open it, and it falls down my leg, and I'm just like,
oh my God.
it's a big spider.
It was big, but we got it, and then we put in this packet called Stay Away Spiders. It's a natural spider repellent.
It smells good.
Smells good, works great. So that's a necessary addition. But I will link everything that we got today, maybe besides this stupid bed that doesn't fit. I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested in checking some of these things out, or maybe you're building your own van. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed our little quick unboxing, upgrades, van life things. We're getting back into the swing of it. So stay tuned for Florida Beach tour in this bad boy.
So excited.
Coming very soon. I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one.